new really cool house. Here are the steps coming up, slide out toppers, come in and look at all this. Look at this space. And we got Jerry here too. He's been the most helpful ever. He taught me everything about this thing. So the chairs, they get locked down properly. It's got electric, really cool electric seating. This turns into a bed if needed. Don't want to see me. Oh, and the TV. Can you imagine sitting here watching TV with a freaking fireplace? That's the best. Kitchen's great. Really cool Samsung fridge, which we hope doesn't break. Back here, we've got 2 sets of beds. I'm taking this out, and I'm actually going to make this into a little office. And then, or just leave the bed down below. And there's tons of storage. TV can go up there. Storage everywhere. There's even the stereo here with the speakers behind, which I put in there anyways myself. Oh, and look at this, a washer and dryer, and they got clever and put a strap here. The last one didn't have a strap. It would hit the door all the time. And the Samsung fridge, I'm not going to open it, but it's huge. Freezer and an ice maker, which is already making ice on its own, believe it or not. So very cool here. 3 AC units. There's one there, there's one in the back. So we go through here. The bathroom is super cool. Very, very Art Deco, modern, whatever you want to call it, modern bathroom. So we got a king size bed, which is amazing. And look at all of those are all storage. TV up here, the windows, and there's storage underneath there, which is freaking amazing. We lift this up. Look at all that storage. It's great. All right, very cool bathroom. Very cool shower head. Everything's cool in here. All right, cool. So you can see flooring's great. So they put in a Samsung refrigerator that's huge, and it has an ice maker. Oh, it's locked over here. So giant space for everything. Now they have the electronic panel. You can control all the lights and everything from your phone. And it's already set up for a generator, which I will end up messing around with later. What's really cool is we come out back here. This is really neat. So when you pull this up, you got a kitchen back here. That's a griddle, a little refrigerator, power, so I can put an air fryer back there if I want. But this is really insane. There's so much storage. Look how much space there is back there. It's nuts. And it actually lifts up, so you can actually put taller things if you want. It has the ability to tow things, believe it or not, but you don't want to do that. Here you can see there's so much storage in this thing. And again, we replaced all this is typically, this is from the higher class Solitude. It's not from the S-Class. And satellite, all this power here. You can put a TV outside if you want, but tons of storage underneath. And I can put a roller thing in here to have the storage roll in and out. Auto leveling, tire links. Oh, that's for, I can take the tire pressure monitor. This is where you have, that's another huge storage space underneath. It's for a generator, but I won't be using the generator. Let's take a look at it though. I'm curious to see. So, see all this extra space? So that's for the generator there, for the regular battery, and it outgasses, look at that. So anyways, this is all set up. And then on the other side, slide out here, and this opens up to water, and again, all the pass-through storage, which is huge. So that's basically it, and it has the auto leveling system in it.